Today I'm flying to Japan. I'm taking another solo trip. Basically, yung dalawang destinations na dream destinations ko, cross out ko na. That's Vietnam, which I went last year, and then this time Japan. I'm really happy, but sad at the same time because I can't bring my bebe with me. He's in the US right now, pero kakol ko siya. I'm just waiting at the airport lounge and I'm also getting my breakfast kasi hindi pa ako kumain. I arrived at the airport as usual 5 hours early and ang saya kasi walang pila sa immigration. Really easy this time, and boarding time would be 12:40. It's just 9:30, so I have a lot of time to hang out here. I'm really excited, so hopefully I'll have a lot of fun in Japan. I look forward to eating a lot of food and sushi and also seeing a lot of places. Hopefully I don't get lost because there'll be a lot of commute involved. And then hanging out at the A lounge. It's now 12:20. I'm supposed to be at the boarding gate before 12:40. Malapit lang naman, so umalis na ako ng 12:20. It's day 1 in Japan. So for today, I'm gonna stay here in Osaka area. So I'm actually going to walk to the train station to go to a flower farm. And then after the flower farm, I'm gonna visit the Osaka Aquarium. And then after nun, maggagala tayo sa may Shinsaibashi, Dotonbori, Namba area. I really don't know kung sakop pa ng Namba yung Dotonbori, but yeah, I'll be there because I have to buy some stuff. Take a look at the stores. I also need to buy shoes kasi yung shoes na gamit ko, it's actually a knock-off. Binili ko lang siya because I wanted the color. So, yeah. We are going to go to at least 3 places. Yun lang yung activity ko for today because tomorrow I'll be at Universal Studios. So, very chill lang yung itinerary ko for today. Nawala na pala ako. Hindi ko na na-follow yung map. So, I'm just using Google Maps to go to the nearest train station. I'm gonna board. It's almost 10 o'clock now. Hindi ko masyado inagahan lumabas. Kasi parang masakit yung ulo ko. So, nag-breakfast lang ako and then I was just talking to my boyfriend. Dito ba? Yeah, I have to go back there. Ang daldal kasi eh, kaya naliligaw. Yung nabook kong hotel is actually in Umeda area. Ayan, I'm on the right track. Maybe I was born this way. Ayan. Dami nagsasabi na unbearable yung heat. But at 10 a.m., okay naman siya. Like, okay naman siya. Mas mainit pa nga sa Pilipinas. But let's see. Baka kasi 10 a.m. pa lang. So, hindi ko pa ramdam. But let's see how it goes. Grabe, yung entrance pala ng metro dito, hindi halata na metro. And an elderly actually helped me. I thought she was asking me. Kasi metro sabi niya. Yun pala, tinuturuan niya ako. And oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. I still have guardian angels even in Japan. Kahit sa Vietnam, ganito. May mga elderlies na tumutulong sa akin. So, I'm really, really grateful. And grabe, nasa underground to lahat. As in, nasa underground siya. So, hindi halata. Like, yung entrance, hindi ko na naipakita kanina kasi nga, pinakausap ako nung elderly woman. And, yeah. Anyway, Higashi Umeda. Ayan, kakadaldal mo na naman. Alam nyo, nakaka-distract yung pag-vlog. Kung hindi ako nag-vlog, super focus ako. Ayan, dito daw yung Tanimachi. But I need to buy a Suica card. Or Icoca. Yeah, I have to figure out how to buy an Icoca card first. I found the machines to get the card and dito rin yung way nung pupuntahan ko. Guys, mali yung napuntahan ko. So, by the way, if you're a first-timer as well in Japan, yung mga pink na machine, yung hahanapin nyo. Kasi yung mga blue, those are for top-up. So, this one naman is for a Icoca. So, guide will be displayed in English. Guys, I got the card and now I'm going to top it up na. So, nagput na ako ng 2,000 and I think I'll need another parang 8,000 or something. So, itatop up ko na para hindi ako load later. And so, pag magta-top up naman kayo, dito kayo sa blue na machine. The pink machine, yun yung cards, and then blue machine is sa top up. Now I'm off to board my train. I just got off my first train. Butigan pa akong malito because merong Tanimachi 4 and then merong Tanimachi 6. Buti na lang napansin ko. Oh my gosh, kasi muntik na akong mapaaga lumabas. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself. So, madali naman siya so far. Ayan. Pero to totoo. Madali siya kasi may colors.
横包み、横包み、右側の扉が開きます。ご注意ください。We will be stopping at N25.
General tip kapag nagko-commute kayo sa Japan is just to follow the colors. Hindi kayo mawawala as long as nakikita nyo yung text ng station na bababaan nyo. Hindi ka rin mawawala. And also, pati exits, my number. So, guaranteed makakapunta ka talaga sa pupuntahan mo. Even the exit is number. So, hindi ka mawawala. Ayan. So, exit via 1 yung nakalagay dito. So, ayan. Sa Google Maps ko. Very solo traveler friendly. Very first timer friendly. So, ayan. I just rode my first set of trains going to Tsuruomi Ryokochi Flower Farm. And, oh my gosh, hindi ako nawala. I mean, like, hindi mali yung nasakyan kong train. Also, another thing is wag sakay ng train station. If you're not 100% sure, wag sumakay. Muntik na akong sumakay kanina, pero sabi ko, hindi, mali ito kasi hindi ko nakikita yung text na nakalagay. So, as in, pag marunong ka magbasa, talaga hindi ka mawawala dito sa Japan. Super nice. Currently, 11 a.m. I am at Yokotsumi area. Basta malapit doon. I got off at Yokotsumi train station. Super init, yes. Pero mahangin. Although pumapantay na siya, I can totally say pumapantay na siya sa Manila. But then, yung hangin is, pag nahanginan ka naman, refreshing siya. Hindi siya nakaka-bad trip. Vending machine. O, diba? With that tree. Ang ganda ng tree na to. It's very Japan. Yes. Aesthetic. Very nice. Ayan o. Ang ganda niya. Guys, I'm supposed to be at a tourist destination. Pero wala namang tao dito. Or siguro hindi lang talaga siya parang super tourist destination kasi medyo malayo-layo siya sa city. I had to travel parang almost an hour to get here. Pero yeah, there's supposed to be a flower park here. Sana meron, diba? Baya, ang ganda ng weather. Ang ganda ng vibes, diba? But yeah. Wow. Look at those birds. Look at those birds. Ako yung nagpakita, di ba? Bida-bida yarn. Ito pa. Grabe, ang dami dito. Pigeons. Parang sa Vietnam. Dami nila. Can you see? And they're not flying away. Hi mga be! I guess hindi nila ako naintindihan kasi Japanese sila. Ohayo! Ayun, medyo sumasagot sila. Sa Ohayo! Ohayo! Arigato! There. Wow. Guys, ayun yung windmill. Ayun na siya. Napagod ako. Andito na ako sa windmill, pero I need to take some time to cool myself. Mainit nga, as in super. It's almost 12 p.m. Here in Osaka Station. So this is the station leading to the Osaka Aquarium. And super cute yung design nila dito. As in, na-highlight yung pinaka-tourist attraction dito sa station. Super cute. Ayan. It's currently 2:15 p.m. So, I think parang okay pa naman na time na maggala sa may aquarium. I can also see yung, oh my gosh, look at this one. Diba? Osaka. But we are here at Osaka Aquarium or Kaiyukan Aquarium. So pretty here. Ang ganda nung Ferris wheel. You know what? Parang ang nakukuha ko na feels dito is parang Manila Bay. Kasi literally may, I don't know if it's a beach, pero may body of water din doon sa bandang yun. And then may pa-Ferris wheel din sila. Merong line for the tickets, but I don't mind. Kasi ang alam ko hanggang gabi dito, and meron silang parang night show or something. Merong night version yung kanilang showcase dito. So, okay lang. So, I just bought the ticket for the aquarium. It cost me 2,700 yen. So, I think meron siyang tax-free. Kasi iba yung tinuro na parang price list sa akin. So, that's nice. Akala ko around parang 4,000 siya. Pero, tinanong ako ni ate sa kung taga saan daw ako. And I told them na from the Philippines. So, tinuro niya yung 2,700. Sa mga mukhang Hapon, please point out kung pupunta kayo dito. Sa mga Pilipino na mukhang Hapon, kung pupunta kayo dito, sabihin nyo you're from the Philippines para ibigay yung mas mababa.
Yeah, I'll just have this pulled up.
I just entered Kaiyukan Aquarium. Ang daming shark. Ayan, may body of water dito. We're gonna start our adventure and bumili ako nitong stamp book. Bata yarn. Alam niyo, yung inner child ko, hindi lang siya healed. Spoiled na siya. 400 siya. So, 400, parang a little more than 100 pesos. Pero worth it naman, diba? For keepsake. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit ako makakabalik dito. So, why not? We have a lot to find. So, sana mahanap ko lahat. We found another stamping station. It's the Otter. Ayan, Otter. So cute. Cute nila. Grabe. Yung experience dito, parang nasa underwater ka, pero hindi ka nababasa. Ayan. Para sa mga hindi marunong mag-dive, I highly suggest, puntahan nyo to. Hindi nyo kailangan sumisid para matignan kung anong happening sa under the sea. Super ganda ng architecture. Like, it was built in such a way na you're going around. So, itong aquarium na to is actually 3 floors. Tapos, parang ramp yung dadaanan nyo. So, maganda siya. Oh my gosh. Super nice. And, halata mo talagang alaga yung mga animals dito. Kasi, as in, malulusong sila, ganon. Maski yung mga penguins. Favorite ko pala yung penguins. Ang cute nila. Ayun. Standing station.
NANI?!
Kinabahan ako kasi parang may nag-aantay sa akin. Baliktad tuloy yung turtle. Sorry na sa turtle na to. Baliktad ito. Anyway, here's the next. It's the dolphin. Ayan. Ganyan ba? Ayan. Hindi ko nababalikta rin. Tada! So, andito na tayo sa pinakailalim na part. Pagod na si Be. Guys, may cafe din dito. It's the Cafe Ring of Fire. Para sa mga pagod na. inspection. Ooh, this is fancy. Corals. Dito na tayo sa dulo. Kinabahan pa ako kasi pa-exit na. Tapos hindi ko pa siya nakakano. And siya. And then the lady told me to come back. Kasi may freebie or may gift yata. Tada! Super cute.
出しました。こちら体験館のステッカーでございます。ありがとうございます。
Arigato. Thank you. Ayan. Ito pala yung freebie, be. Akala ko shark. I think I might wanna try this. Create a coin. I want this one. Oh, mainit siya. Halatang bagong gawa, mainit-init pa siya, guys. Super cute. I'm off to my next stop, which is Dotonbori. Medyo pagod na ako, no? Feeling ko nagpaltos na yung paa ko, pero labarn. Ayan, babalik sana ako ng hotel, pero nakita ko kasi mas malapit if tutuloy na ako ng Dotonbori. Pero sobrang pagod na ako, guys. So, instead of resting sa may hotel, kakain na lang ako sa Kura Sushi. It's here in Dotonbori. Hopefully, maaga pa for everyone else's dinner. Kasi hindi ko nakakayanin pa mag-antay. 6 PM pa lang naman. So, hopefully, hindi pa busy yung Kura Sushi. Na-research ko lang yun sa TikTok. So, para siyang Genki Sushi. Naka-conveyor belt din yung pagkain. Pero, apparently mura daw. Like, yung 500, sobrang dami mo nang makakain doon. So, we will see. Ang dami dito. Ayan. Kura Sushi. Let's try it. Yung itsura ko. May elevator pala. Number 18. Ayan, merong solo. Solo seat. Literal mag-isa. I'm gonna order now. utensils, yung sauce, and may matcha rin dito. And even yung ginger. Ayan. Ito naman yung matcha. Yes. Very nice. I'm on my third plate now. Shoot ko na dito. Then, order pa ako ng one last. Medyo busog na ako, pero may gusto kasi ako i-try. Yung sukiyaki style. Ayan. Yung sukiyaki style, gusto ko siyang i-try. So, yun na yun. Matsukiyo. I heard this is one of the drugstores na may cheap J-Beauty products. So let's try. Ooh, they also have tier. And jelly. Ang cute itong jelly. Super cute. Tour place. I need to get some lip product tsaka eye products. And this is my shoes for tomorrow.